Hey Homespot friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are turning forgotten scraps of wood and simple garden stones into the cutest tiny creatures for your yard. If you love rustic vibes, eco-friendly decor, and small details that make a big difference, stay tuned and let's create some magical garden art together. Bring coastal charm to your garden with this unique fish sculpture. Arrange flat stones in a flowing fish shape along a narrow piece of driftwood, using darker pebbles for the eye and details. The horizontal composition mimics a swimming motion, perfect for hanging on fences or walls. This design celebrates found materials and natural textures, creating art that feels like it belongs in nature. The simplicity of stones on wood creates striking visual impact while maintaining rustic authenticity throughout your outdoor space. This adorable hedgehog brings woodland charm to your garden beds. Use one larger flat stone as the body foundation, then add small pointed wood scraps on top to create realistic spines. Two tiny dark pebbles form the eyes and nose, giving your hedgehog personality. Perfect for tucking into flower beds or placing near plant bases. This small sculpture adds delightful discovery moments for visitors. The natural materials blend seamlessly with surrounding plants while creating a focal point that invites closer inspection. Create an enchanting fairy ring with these miniature mushroom clusters. Cut small circular caps from reclaimed wood, preserving the natural grain and character, then attach them to short twig stems. Each mushroom rests on a pebble base for stability. Group them together among moss or low ground cover for maximum impact. These tiny treasures transform ordinary garden corners into magical fairy habitats. The variety in wood grain and stone colors ensures each mushroom has unique personality within the collection. This palm-sized turtle sculpture captures nature's gentle pace. Select a rounded piece of scrap wood for the distinctive shell, then add 4 oval pebbles as legs. A small stone forms the head while a thin twig creates the tail. The wood grain naturally mimics turtle shell patterns, making this design both simple and realistic. Position your turtle on pathways or among ground cover plants where it appears to slowly wander. This project works perfectly for beginners while delivering professional-looking results. Bring woodland elegance to your garden with this striking fox silhouette. Cut a simple fox shape from thin scrap wood and stain it dark for contrast. Mount it upright on a flat stone base for stability. The silhouette style creates dramatic impact without complex detailing. This piece looks stunning among ferns or positioned to catch backlighting at sunset. The dark wood against natural stone creates sophisticated rustic art that adds wildlife character to your outdoor space, while celebrating minimalist design principles. Embrace minimalist design with these abstract animal silhouettes. Cut simple shapes of rabbits, birds, or dogs from thin wood, then glue a single smooth pebble onto each as a heart or belly accent. The contrast between flat cutouts and dimensional stones creates visual intrigue. Place them in pots, near stepping stones, or throughout garden beds. These pieces work beautifully as a collection, creating a cohesive theme while allowing individual creativity with different animal shapes and stone selections. Add cheerful color to your garden with this vibrant ladybug family. Paint small flat stones bright red with black dots, capturing the iconic ladybug pattern. Glue each painted stone onto thin wood slices or natural bark pieces. These charming insects can perch along garden edges, flower pot rims, or fence posts. The glossy painted stones contrast beautifully with rough bark texture. Create a whole family in various sizes to scatter throughout your space, bringing playful energy and eye-catching color accents. This elegant bird trio adds vertical interest to your garden displays. Create 3 minimal bird shapes from small wood blocks, giving each a smooth stone belly on the front. Attach them on separate pebbles at different heights for dynamic composition. The weathered wood paired with polished stones creates textural contrast. Display them on railings, shelves, or fence posts where their varying heights create rhythm and movement. This project demonstrates how simple geometric shapes can capture bird essence without detailed carving. Celebrate garden helpers with this whimsical snail sculpture. Use a spiral pattern stone or arrange small pebbles into a spiral formation for the distinctive shell. Attach a carved wood piece as the head, adding 2 wire or nail antennae for character. The spiral pattern draws the eye and adds mathematical beauty to your garden. Place your snail on wet leaves or near shade plants where real snails roam. This piece honors the small creatures that contribute to garden ecosystems. Create woodland magic with this delicate deer sculpture. Use a vertical pebble as the body and a smaller pebble as the head. 2 forked twigs become natural antlers, bringing authentic forest character. Glue everything onto a thin wood slice base for stability. This miniature forest creature works beautifully in seasonal displays or year-round garden arrangements. The natural twig antlers add organic irregularity that makes each deer unique. Perfect for creating woodland scenes or adding wildlife representation to your outdoor decor. Bring ocean inspiration inland with this charming marine sculpture. Cut a small whale or dolphin shape from wood and paint it simply in coastal colors. Stand it on a gently curved stone that mimics a wave form. This piece creates perfect focal points for seaside-themed garden corners or near-water features. The combination of painted wood and natural stone bridges crafted an organic aesthetics. Position it where it catches light, making your marine friend appear to leap joyfully through your garden landscape. This wise owl brings nighttime magic to daytime gardens. Carve or cut a simple owl silhouette from scrap wood, then glue small stones across the body as textured feathers. 2 round pebbles become distinctive owl eyes, creating instant recognition. Mount your owl on a short log base for natural presentation. The stone mosaic technique adds dimensional texture while using found materials. Position near tree trunks or on stumps where owls would naturally perch, creating authentic woodland atmosphere throughout your space. These cheerful beam markers add functional charm to your herb or vegetable garden. Create a small bee body using a rounded stone and attach 2 thin wood pieces as wings. Fix it atop a wooden stake to mark different plants or garden zones. The bee theme celebrates important pollinators while providing practical plant identification. Paint the stone with yellow and black stripes for classic bee appearance. These markers combine utility with decoration, making your garden both organized and adorable. Celebrate avian visitors with this naturalistic branch sculpture. Fix small oval stones onto a horizontal scrap wood branch as bird bodies. Add short wood wedges or small twigs for beaks and tails, creating simple yet recognizable bird forms. Stand a branch on 2 stone feet for stability. This piece captures the essence of birds gathering on branches, bringing that peaceful observation moment into permanent garden art. Display on tables or railings where the horizontal composition creates calming linear balance. Tuck this shy mouse into your garden for delightful discovery moments. Choose a teardrop-shaped stone for the body, add small wood triangles as ears, and attach a thin cord or twig tail. Mount your mouse on a narrow scrap wood plank. The smooth stone body contrasts with textured wood details, Hide your mouse under large leaves or near plant bases where visitors will smile upon finding it. This project proves that simple material combinations create charming characters with minimal crafting skills required. Capture transformation and beauty with this elegant butterfly design. Shape simple wings from thin wood scraps and add a twig body for authentic structure. Mount your butterfly on a round stone painted subtly like a flower center. The composition suggests a butterfly landing to feed, creating narrative in your garden. Position near actual flowers for cohesive design or use as standalone focal points. The delicate wood wings contrast beautifully with the solid stone base, balancing fragility and permanence. These stacked totem guardians add vertical sculpture interest to your garden. Stack a small wood block, then a stone, then another wood piece to create miniature totems. Paint simple owl faces on the stone sections for a cohesive theme. Line several along pathways or garden edges where they stand as protective sentinels. The vertical stacking creates architectural interest, while the painted owl faces add personality. Each totem develops unique character through different wood grains and stone colors in your collection. Thank you so much for watching and creating with me today. Now you have a whole collection of small rustic creatures made from simple wood and stone, ready to brighten every corner of your garden. If these ideas inspired you, please hit like, subscribe to Homespot for more DIY decor, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.